how to fix blue dot not showing direction in Google Maps. The first thing and the easiest thing I would do first is to calibrate the compass. You can do so by clicking or tapping the button down on the right hand corner. And when that is done, and if that doesn't work, I would go out of Google Maps and then go into the settings. And then you want to go to General and iPhone storage. And then you want to go down to Google Maps. And then you want to tap Offload app again. And then you want to tap Reinstall the app. What we are doing now is to clear the cache of the Google Maps app. And this will resolve the issue in most of the cases. If you are on Android, you want to go to the settings and then find the app, and then you want to tap Clear Cache. So this is how to fix blue dot not showing direction in Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.